सी, मैंने बोला था आपको कि दिस इज द रोड मैप. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एंट्री पॉइंट. दिस इज द डेटा एंट्री पॉइंट बिकॉज वी हैव टू क्रिएट सो मेनी रिपोर्ट्स. और उसमें हमें लगता है कि ये लिस्ट हमें काम कर सकता है. जो चीजें, जो ट्रिक अभी हमने सीखा है कि वी कैन अप्लाई दिस for different scenario, for different reports and all, right? So this is the roadmap where we have to start, but where we have to go, this is called data visualization and dashboard. बताया था कि ये डैशबोर्ड ऐसा होता है. अब आपको एक बार डैशबोर्ड भी दिखा दूं ताकि आपको पता चल जाए कि हमें पूरी चीज सीखने के बाद which type of report you can create, which type of dashboard you can create. So that is why just I am showing you a data of 10-12 people. Employee ID is there, name is there, along with their quarterly performance is there. You can see the report. We have a group of employee and their ID is there, name is there, quarterly performance is there. What is your performance in each quarter? So this is the simple data. If you will learn each and everything practically, then in the same data, you can present your values or your data like this. See the functionality. If writing here 1, देखेंगे 1 हमने टाइप किया. So Manoj का पूरा performance, you will get the whole information of the Manoj quarterly complete information. And see the reports. There is a performance report we are showing through a speedometer. There is a traffic signal reports. This is based on your performance. If your performance is landing between like 50 to 80, then light shows yellow. If your performance is very good, like more than 80, this will convert into green. Or if your performance is very poor, this will go to red, green to red or yellow to red. See how this can work. Divya, see, this is the green. See, this is red. आप देख पा रहे हैं कि क्या फंक्शनैलिटी है. यही सेम डेटा है जो आप नॉर्मली आप यूज करते हो. सो इफ यू आर जस्ट लीडिंग योर टीम, तो लीडिंग का मतलब ये भी तो होता है कि ऐसे करके आप प्रेजेंट करोगे, और यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट लाइक दिस. डेफिनेटली इफ वी प्रेजेंट और लीड माय टीम विद दिस वे, सो डेफिनेटली कोई भी बोलेगा यस सर, दिस इज वेरी गुड प्रेजेंटेशन. And apart from your team, your higher authority, maybe director or MD or something like that, he will appreciate you. Yes, you know, you present your data, you present your report in a very like professional manner. Like either we can create, click here 5, so you will get the record of 5, or you can create Divya or Geeta or Ravi or Kishan, something like. You can control from here, or you can control from here, or you can control from this button. So if I am clicking this, you can see how is the presentation. So if you want to learn this level, definitely you have to work hard, but definitely this is not very hard thing. You can easily learn. This includes so many formulas like index is there, VLOOKUP match is there, there is a if condition is there, charts is there, speedometer charts is there. So there are several things that you have to learn and then apply. So definitely you will get this kind of report, or you are able to create this type of report. I guess रोड मैप पता चल गया होगा कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है, कैसे शो करना है, किस लेवल तक जाना है. तो डेफिनेटली दिस इज वेरी इंटरेक्टिव डैशबोर्ड. और इंटरेक्टिव का मतलब होता है कि वो डेटा के साथ साथ हमारी पूरी विजुअलाइजेशन भी उसी तरीके से शो करता है जैसा आप चाहते हो, उस हिसाब से. I guess road map clear हो गया.
Yes, sir.
So Divya,
Yes, sir.
just one question. Can you tell me the importance of this training? Like just this trick, not I can say training, this trick. What is the importance of this trick?
Hello.
Yes, Divya.
Sorry, sir. I'm not able to hear the. Hello.
I guess आपके यहाँ network issue है. I
Yeah,
don't
sir.
know. Sumit? Sumit?
Hello.
No, I'm not able to understand.
Which you don't understand?
This roadmap.
Roadmap. You
Yeah.
understand how we can create this?
No.
No? Why?
Can you please show me again?
Yes, sir, I'll show you again and again, but why?
Why is there is no reason? If you can show me another once more, then
Yes, yes, definitely. I'll just give you the another, but you have to concentrate, no? If I am asking you, then you tell, just show me again. But you have to concentrate, no? No worry. I'll just. Ganesh, can you tell me? Ganesh ji, Mr. Ganesh.
yes, sir.
Ganesh, what is the importance of this list? If you have this trick, then what is the importance?
Not understanding, sir.
सर मैं बोल सकता हूँ कुछ क्या?
Komal,
अजय
Time,
Komal,
sir.
Komal is there? Komal,
Yes.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Ashwini, can you explain?
yes.
Ashwini,
Madam,
you please explain if you understand.
madam, what I understood is this is the importance where we can prepare the performance sheet. I got to understand that we can prepare the performance sheet easily in this way.
By using dashboard. What
Yes.
is